guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I'm so decked up today, that's basically it's my birthday, that's the reason. And today we're going to be doing a haul. So I shopped a little bit during the H&M and Zara sale, so that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first we're going to be starting off with H&M and then we will be moving on to Zara. So the first item that I got from H&M, it's a very pretty spaghetti top. It's in this beautiful pastel shade. This is a pastel blue. You would have already guessed that I am really into pastels because this is a similar shade, just a little lighter, but yeah. Because these shades look so summery, so easy breezy, and you can easily dress it up or dress it down. You can wear it as it is, you can wear it with a jacket if you're going out. It's so breathable, so comfortable, and also although it's a crop top, it doesn't show off a lot of your belly, like thoda dikhega. But if you wear it with a high waist pant, it will not show off your belly, and also it will not make you look fat, in the sense that if you have thoda sa tummy na, it will not hug on to that tummy, like some crop tops do, like really stick onto your tummy and then like अच्छे से ऐसे tummy दिखता है. So it doesn't happen with this. It makes you look very uniform. So it's very comfortable and a great option. Also for the price point, I think it's a great buy. So this was not on sale, the others were, but this was not on sale. I just got this because I really like the color, and I already have this in another dusty pink shade, so I know how it fits and I really like that. That's the reason I got it. The next top that I got from H&M is this very pretty, again this is a pastel, not pastel but yeah, very light pink shade. This is the color and this is the top. So this would make a great formal wear as well. Like you can just pair it up with a blazer, you can pair it up with a white or a black blazer, and it will look absolutely beautiful. And this is how the back looks. Now on the website it was mentioned that it is a satin material, but it does not have that sheen to it. You know how satin materials have a little bit of sheen, thode shiny lagta hai. It doesn't look like that, but nonetheless it looks really of really good quality and also feels of really good quality. The only problem is thoda sa transparent hai, so you might have to pair it up with an inner, but that's not a major issue. Also this is not a deep neck. It looks like one but it isn't, so you don't need to worry about that as well. The fit of it is very comfortable. It is neither too loose nor too tight. Top that I got is this one. This is again, it was mentioned on the website that it's a satin material. It doesn't have much sheen to it. Again, thoda sa shiny hai, thoda sa, but that's very mild. You won't be able to notice it, and it has a very pretty lace detailing all over here, and also it has this lace back sort of thing. That's again a great addition to the top. And also this is not too loose, not too tight, as I told you. मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा comfortable and so easy breezy. It's so lightweight, and again it's थोड़ा सा transparent तो है, so you will have to pair it up with an inner, but you can again dress it up or dress it down, and I guess it's a basic that you must have, because you can again dress it up and wear it as a casual, under any jacket, under any blazer. It'll look great, and just wear it as it is. So the next item that I got is a blazer actually. So I'm really into blazers these days. I don't know why. I know I have nowhere to go wearing that blazer, and I have no meetings to attend, but yet I really love blazers. And as soon as I saw this on the website, I was like, I need it. So this is in a very pretty cream beige color, although on camera it kind of looks a little bit yellowish, but it isn't. It's a very beautiful cream beige color, and it is very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It is very light in weight, alright, and also it is not transparent at all, although it is lightweight. It has this lining inside, as you can see. So it is comfortable, but again it will not make you sweat, so that's really great. And again it has shoulder padding here, not too overboard, but the right amount of shoulder padding. And for me it is a little bit long, that's because I'm short, but for anybody taller than me it would be of the right size or right length. And also again it's neither too loose nor too tight, where with any formal top, or also you can wear it with a t-shirt and jeans and use it as a casual wear. So yeah. Moving on to the tops that I got, or the items that I got from Zara. So the first one is this very pretty champagne satin colored top. Now this is a crop top, okay, super crop hai, and this looks really rich, and the satin material also looks really good quality. Like generally पता है satin materials में ऐसा होता है, the cheap satin material होता है. It's not that at all. Obviously it's Zara, but yeah, and it's super crop. So abhi to I am able to wear it, but बहुत मुश्किल से. So disclaimer, so for the people who know me and haven't met me lately, I have put on weight, थोड़ा सा नहीं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा. So yeah, this is one of those tops. I don't know if this happens with you. Let me know if this happens with you, okay? मुझे comment करके बताना. But this is one of those tops नहीं जो हम सोचते हैं that I don't know, I do this, that कि जब मैं पतली हो जाऊँगी तब मैं ये पहनूँगी, and you just buy it at that time कि पतली होने के बाद पहनूँगी, and वो पड़ा रहता है. So that is how this came in, ठीक है? And I thought कि जब पतली हो जाऊँगी तब पहनूँगी, but at the moment it fits me. थोड़े मुश्किल से फिट होता है, but definitely I'll wear it only once I get fitter. So yeah, but again it has this elastic at the back, which is stretchable. So if you have broad shoulders or broad back, this will fit you, so you don't need to worry about that. The item that I have here is a bottom wear. I don't generally shop a lot of bottom wears online because I'm not really sure about the fit. So I got this from Zara again, and it's so beautiful, so comfortable. Let me tell you, bottom wear में ऐसा होता है ना कि I like my bottoms to be fitting, but at the same time it shouldn't be uncomfortable. So this is super high waist. So if you have थोड़ा सा भी tummy, this is great in hiding all of that. It makes you look extremely uniform, and it doesn't show off any of your bulges. And also it is high waist, not in the sense that some high waist pants ऐसा होता है जो बहुत ज़्यादा like tight रहते हैं, and like आई डोंट नो इफ दिस हैपन्स विद यू, बट देन वो इतना टाइट रहता है ना वो पैंट कि वो ऐसे पकड़ लेता है जस्ट लाइक दोज वेस्ट ट्रेनर्स, एंड इट फील्स सो अनकम्फर्टेबल, लाइक ब्रीथ करने में भी मुश्किल होती है. बट दिस इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट एट ऑल. इट इज़ हाई वेस्ट एंड इट डज snug in your waist, but it's so comfortable, and also it has this belt that comes along with it. So if you have a tiny waist, you can, you know, cinch it up and make it according to your waist size. And this is so comfortable, and also this material, you know, it doesn't look like those cheap cheetah or leopard prints. Like थोड़े कुछ होता है ना जो it looks very cheap, the cheetah and leopard print, but this isn't like that at all. It feels really good quality, and also it's very lightweight, very breathable, very summery. So it's not transparent as well, so that's a great thing, that you don't have to worry about what you need to wear inside. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to wear it outside. Yeah, that's all that I shopped from H&M and Zara. I know it's not a lot because I'm very picky when it comes to shopping, but yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I would be really happy. And if you want me to make any other videos, please leave it in the comments below. And